Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use DeepSeek to earn money online. But before we start, I want to talk about the niche we'll be focusing on. The health industry is booming, worth trillions of dollars, and within it, we're going to narrow down into a highly profitable sub-niche, natural remedies. This niche revolves around the everyday solutions people seek when they face health challenges, whether serious or minor. For instance, someone dealing with gout might be searching for dietary suggestions or practical lifestyle adjustments. Now, to be clear, you're not going to be giving out medical advice or acting like a doctor. Stay far away from that. Instead, you'll be sharing useful health tips, diet advice, and exercise suggestions. People are constantly searching for this type of content, and when remedies are combined with health, wellness, personal development, and DIY solutions, the demand is massive. I'll show you exactly how to use AI to tap into this opportunity. To illustrate, let's look at some platforms where people are already succeeding. There's an Instagram account called Healthy Tips Life that consistently gets tens of thousands of views. On TikTok, similar accounts are reaching hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. There are countless profiles like these, all generating significant engagement. The goal here is to show you how to produce similar content without ever showing your face, using your voice, or recording with a camera. This method is perfect for beginners who want to start building an audience on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, or even YouTube. The strategy involves taking inspiration from existing accounts, analyzing what's working, and then creating content of your own with AI tools. For example, you can examine one of their videos, see the style and topic, and then replicate it with your own unique spin. You'll be creating a new script, a new video, and ultimately building a brand that drives traffic to affiliate offers. To start, you'll need to set up an account, Instagram, TikTok, whichever platform you want, and create a profile with a catchy name. You can even use AI itself to generate creative name ideas. Once your account is set up, it's time to find inspiration. Scroll through successful accounts, identify videos that are performing well, and pick one as a model. For instance, you might find a video you like. Instead of copying it, you'll use DeepSeek to create a fresh script on the same topic. DeepSeek is an incredibly powerful AI tool, similar to ChatGPT, but with one huge advantage: it's completely free. While ChatGPT requires a paid plan to unlock full features, DeepSeek gives you access to a wide range of capabilities at no cost. After signing up for DeepSeek, simply give it a clear prompt like, "Create a 60-second video script for my health channel explaining reasons for swollen feet and one quick remedy to help reduce swelling." DeepSeek will instantly generate a script you can use. Sometimes it might add extra formatting, but you can instruct it to just give you the text. Once you have the script, you'll move on to the second tool, Flicky AI. Flicky allows you to turn your script into a professional video complete with AI voices and visuals. You can start for free, creating short videos to test the platform, and if you want more, the paid plans are affordable. Flicky even offers avatars that can appear on screen, but that's optional. The most powerful feature is its ability to transform your script into engaging videos ready for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or any platform you choose. The key step is to copy the script from DeepSeek and paste it into Flicky. To maximize engagement, break your script into shorter paragraphs so that the video can switch between multiple scenes, increasing watch time and retention. You can choose layouts like portrait mode for TikTok or Instagram, select a theme, and let Flicky generate the entire video for you. With this method, you'll quickly build up a library of content that resonates with your audience. Once your videos are ready, you can post them across social platforms and link them to affiliate products, digital marketing offers, or sponsorships. This is how you'll monetize your content and turn AI-powered videos into a steady stream of passive income. And if you want to explore even more tools like DeepSeek, there are plenty of alternatives to test. But the combination of DeepSeek and Flicky is already enough to get you started building a sustainable online income. On the left-hand side of Flicky, you'll notice the script you uploaded. Because the text is broken into shorter paragraphs, each becomes its own scene. The more scenes you create, the more dynamic the video feels, which boosts retention. You'll also see background images and text overlays automatically generated to match the narration. If you don't like a particular image, you can swap it with stock photos or video clips from Flicky's built-in media library. For example, if the script mentions swelling in the feet, the video will automatically display relevant visuals while the AI voice explains the causes. If you prefer something more professional, you can search Flicky's library with terms like swollen feet or leg circulation and instantly replace the visuals. This gives you complete creative control while keeping the process fast and simple. You can also customize the voiceover. Flicky offers a variety of voices, male, female, different accents, and you can preview each before selecting. Some voices are free, while others are available on paid plans. Once you've chosen the one you like, simply click Select, then Submit, and Flicky will process the video for you. Within minutes, your completed project will be ready to review. Once you're satisfied, just click Download or use the Export option for higher resolution if you're on a paid plan. After exporting, upload your video to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, or Facebook. Each platform works in a similar way. Create a post, upload your video, add your description, and it's live. When uploading, you'll also need a description. A simple strategy is to look at similar accounts for inspiration. Many creators just use the video title, add a call to action like "Follow me at this account," and include a set of hashtags. You can also ask AI to generate captions and hashtags for you. The idea is to drive viewers from the video to the links in your profile. Those links can point to affiliate offers, sponsorships, or digital products. If you click on the links in successful accounts, you'll often see multiple offers. Many of these come from affiliate marketplaces like Digistore24, ClickBank, or other health-related programs. To set this up, you'll need to create an account on a site like ClickBank. Once signed up, go to the marketplace, choose a category like health and fitness, and look through the available products. Sort by metrics like popularity or conversion rates, and review the details. Some products pay commissions of over $100 per sale. You can choose one product to promote or promote several at once. A simple way to manage multiple offers is to use a tool like Linktree, which lets you place one main link in your bio that leads to a page with multiple options. That way, you can promote remedies, weight loss supplements, or any health-related solutions at the same time. Once you pick a product, just click Promote on ClickBank, generate your affiliate link, and shorten it with Bitly or insert it into Linktree. In addition to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest, you can also repurpose your videos on Threads. Since Threads is connected to Instagram, you'll need an Instagram account first. Once connected, you can easily share your existing videos to Threads and add your affiliate link to the bio there as well. This helps you capture even more traffic and visibility. Now, if you're serious about making money online, I recommend using AI and combining it with digital marketing. You can make an extra $3,000 to $5,000 per month using the phone you're holding in your hand right now without even showing your face. Click the link in the description to watch a video from a 9-figure online marketer who will teach you how to use your phone combined with some AI tools to make thousands of dollars per month in pure profit while working just a couple hours per day. You don't need a website or a funnel, so it's perfect for beginners.